Thank you for attending the ACTi Basic Technical Training. The following presentation gives entry-level overview for IP video surveillance in general, as well as selecting and deploying ACTi products in the marketplace. By the end of the training session, we will hopefully have made you more familiar with the IP solution, which is gradually replacing the predominantly analog video surveillance industry. This presentation is divided into the following topics. What is IP surveillance shows the main differences between a traditional analog solution with an IP solution. Common terms explain some often used vocabulary for IP. Video compression describes the basic idea of turning analog video into a digital format. Selecting the right product walks you through the process of selecting ACTi products for different requirements. Basic camera setup tutorials will guide you through putting your ACTi products on your network and viewing video. And finally, technical support will show you where you can find online support offered by ACTi. We now start off with what is IP surveillance. A traditional analog video system as we know it is simply point-to-point transmission of video. It is carried between 2 points via a direct cable connection. As long as we have a source, such as a camera, and a receiving device, such as an analog monitor, the installation is simply plug and play. This, on the other hand, also becomes a limiting factor for the analog system because the video only extends as far as the cable can reach. Long-distance viewing becomes very difficult, as does difficult installations such as cabling across tall buildings. An IP or Internet Protocol system gives each device an IP address. This address is generally unique to all other devices on the same network. Each device with an IP address has the potential of communicating with one another, where the device may be a computer, camera, network switch, or anything else that is IP addressable. This is similar to telephone numbers, where each phone has a unique number and anyone in the world can dial into that phone using that specific number. An IP video system can function as illustrated. There are 2 buildings, each of which has their own set of video cameras and recorders. Within each building, its cameras are recorded locally to an NVR or network video recorder. At the same time, because the cameras themselves are assigned an IP address, they can easily be sent out to the internet. An NVR web client or NVR workstation can be used off-site to view and manage the cameras. A remote recorder can also be set up to make sure the video has a secure backup. This allows for easier management even when the manager is not on site. An IP system uses a different set of equipment than an analog system. This includes a camera or video server, which is the video source, a computer, which is used to set up the cameras and or act as a recorder, management software, which is the heart of an IP system that is responsible for recording, local or remote viewing, and playback, a network switch, which is used as a hub for all IP devices on the same network, and Cat5 cables, which are used to physically connect the devices together in conjunction with a network switch. There are also several optional devices that can be used. Those include a router that is used to forward selected cameras and computers to the internet, a wireless switch is necessary to receive data streams wirelessly, a wireless transceiver which is used in conjunction with the wireless switch to transmit data wirelessly, and PoE or Power over Ethernet that transports both data and power through a single Cat5 cable. This is only available for devices that are PoE capable. A combined IP system can look like this illustration. The 2 cameras at the top can connect to the PoE switch, which provides both power and connectivity to the cameras. The camera below can be connected to a pair of wireless transceivers, which for video and network data is transmitted without using actual cables. All cameras can be connected to the main network switch on the right-hand side, which in turn connects to the computer for recording and to the router for internet management and viewing.